Pua comes from the forest. Our history comes from the forest. The hokulea, every single part of that canoe came from the forest. We want to engage and kind of try to use what we call the 3 C's, which is community, culture, and conservation. It's about making that connection and having people understand, visitors and local people, the connection of everything and why it's so important. And it's important for every single human being in Hawaii. Hawaii used to be known as the most biodiverse place on planet Earth. Today it's known as the extinction capital of the world. Whenever you think about Hawaii's culture and the history, the feathers that the ali'i wore, the lei that people, the Merrie Monarch are wearing, unfortunately, what people don't realize is a lot of the flowers that they're using are no longer native or endemic because we don't have it. So we have 3 forest locations, 2 on Oahu and 1 on the Big Island. That's our flagship. It's 1,100 acres. The umbrella is koa, but we have 22-ish other species that include iliahi, ali'i, ohia, and a bunch of other understory species. We put markers at each one of our locations that partners can come and sponsor. The Merrie Monarch one we sponsored it for them. So we put a marker up and planted a whole bunch of species that we were, for that reason, for them to come and pick for what they needed for hula. 2 things that make us very different from any other organization. 1, we geotag every single one of our trees. And you can account for that tree that you planted. You're issued a certificate. You go on our website, it's called Tree Tracker. You put your RFID number into the section, and then boom, it gets you right there. You can see your tree. The other thing is we are the only carbon certified project not only in Hawaii, in the United States, and we have a gold standard certification. At the register, we call it Tree Sense. So we have different partners, so you can do that at the register. Or you can also sponsor online a tree, and we'll be at Merrie Monarch at the Craft Festival. You can sponsor a tree there as well. So we gotta make sure we take care for the next generation.